is 18 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival. We ask that you please remain seated, keeping your seatbelt fastened to your hand baggage load, ensuring that the aisle and exits are kept clear at all times. Once you've arrived at our assigned gate, you will then be invited to disembark. Upon doing so, please remember to take all your belongings with you. Please check the seat pockets in front of you, the areas at your feet, and the overhead lockers for any items that you may have brought on board. Please exercise caution when opening the overhead lockers, as heavy articles may have shifted and could fall, causing injury to you or others nearby. We ask when disembarking the aircraft that you please do not place your heavy luggage or sit on the armrest. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are connecting on any other Caribbean Airlines flight, you are asked to please surrender your duty-free liquids to the security agent. You will be met with the same at the boarding area of your next aircraft. Duty-free shopping is available to all landed passengers. Purchases must be made before proceeding to the customs officials. Our Caribbean Airlines duty-free shop is located to the left, just after you clear with immigration. If you are connecting to Tobago, ladies and gentlemen, you must clear with immigration and customs officials here, as this is your first point of entry into Trinidad and Tobago. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask for your cooperation when disembarking the aircraft. This flight is very full. It's a single aisle aircraft. We're asking, please, can you please allow the row in front of you to stand, retrieve their hand baggage, and proceed to clear the area before you all attempt to do so. Everyone standing at the same time will not help anyone getting off any quicker. Passengers may need to go back to collect hand baggage before they can make their way forward. We thank you for your cooperation. We thank you for flying with Caribbean Airlines. We know you have a choice when traveling, and we at Caribbean Airlines most certainly appreciated your business this evening. On behalf of Captain Christopher Smith, myself, Seema Powers, and the rest of the flight team, we'd like to say thank you, take care, be safe, have a great night.